Now let's see, if you want, now you want a line at this position to change, to recognize that this is the second part of this course. So I need a line here, a horizontal line here. You can get a horizontal line here by using this HR tag. Now I have saved it. Let's see, you can see a horizontal line before this font tag. If you want to change the color of that horizontal line, you can also use the color keyword and use it into black. I'll use black here, and let's see, you can see the color changed into black. If you want to adjust the size, you can use size keyword again, almost similar for the font as the font, and I'll use 5 here, sorry 4 here, and you can see the width has increased. And also you can use, just imagine you want a line only 50% of this page, so you can use as width 50%. Now let's save it, and you can see only a 50% has added as a line. If you want 100%, you can use 100%. It is also something really cool and very simple. So if you want to get these things, align at middle, how can you get it? Easily you can get it by going to this body tag and use align equals center and save. Now you can see all the things have been aligned into center. I need it at left, so I'll use it as left. Save, and you can see all the things are at left. If I want these things at right, I'll pick right and save. You can see all the things are at right. So if you want this at 50%, let's see how does it works. Still it gives the center align for the line. For the horizontal line, the align placed at the center. If you want it at left corner, I'll use left here and save. You can see the line has changed into left. So I'll change all these things into center again, and all the paragraphs are at center, and this is at line. With this background image, the letters are getting somewhat difficult to identify, so I'll use again those letters at the leftmost corner. So I'll use left here. Okay, now you can see the website that we created at this moment. So guys, if you want to use a letter or to use a word reversely as something like let's use another line here, and after that let's start. You have seen the ambulance, it has written the text reversely to see through the side mirror of a vehicle. So if you want something like that, you can use a tag called BDO. By using this tag, you can use it as RTL for reverse, and you can use ambulance here. I'm just typing ambulance. You can type anything here, but the thing you are required to do a video tag, and this dir equals to RTL. Now let's save this one and see. You can see the ambulance has typed reversely. If you don't want it reversely, you can use LTR. You can see in LTR it is left to right. If you are using right to left, RTL, then it is reversed.